Moving from Claude to Gemini, Google built official tools to bring your memory and chat history straight over, no starting from scratch. Here's how. Start with your memory. Go to gemini.google.com, click Settings and Help, then import memory to Gemini. Gemini hands you a ready-made prompt. Copy it. Switch to Claude.ai, paste it in, and let Claude generate a summary of everything it knows about you. Copy that response, come back to Gemini, paste it in, and hit Add Memory. Gemini stores it all, your tone preferences, your context, your habits, and uses it from your very next chat. Now bring your chat history. This part has to be done on the Claude website or desktop app. The mobile app doesn't have the export option. Click your initials in the bottom left, go to Settings, then click Privacy, find Export Data, and click Export. Claude will email you a download link. Grab the .zip file before it expires in 24 hours. Click Download Data and wait for it to finish downloading. Then go back in Gemini, click Settings and Help at the bottom left. Then click Import Memory to Gemini, scroll to Import Chats, click Add, and upload your Claude zip file. Wait for it to finish importing. Once done, your past conversations will appear in your Gemini sidebar, ready to pick up where you left off. 2 steps. Memory first, so Gemini knows who you are, then your chat history, so nothing gets left behind. Both tools are free and built right into Gemini settings. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.